Young guys back to another episode of City Video. So, and guys, I'm gonna be I'm doing a secret star challenge, which I cannot use them at all in the total time, which actually should be really easy since some a lot of the stars are really hard to catch, and one of them are actually pretty easy because the most common ones are easy, or some of them are actually pretty hard to catch over here. On display, I had a hard damn time to catch that one, so. If I get that one, I'm pretty sure probably be easy to miss that. I took by Mr. X then, I guess, you know. I mean, I am actually like a pretty good, decent star collector. I got 26 so far over here. Also, next episode of the video, I'll make a part 2 to loot boss. Wait, guys, also, on July 14th, I'll probably touch the most. I'll become more tricky. It's her and the cowboy bomb on July 14th, so yeah. And if you want to do, I can go ahead and do flash real quick. So, I collect 3 secret stars after the south. Never do that. I can feel like I'm 4,000 in the video, guys. Fine, I don't know what I looks like. I want him not to get him super fast today. Oh, I gotta actually fix the bug. Oh, I swear, every time I play this game, when I last play this game, you used to have like the way with the god over here, guys. Well, I mean, you know, the music will be like late. I'll say hey, and then I'll say it again. You know what they listen to us and actually fix the glitch? Oh, that might happen every time I first came back in the game. That's so weird. I guess I know if I'm gonna work on the board. Anyway, guys. Okay. I mean, honestly, what's cool? What may be the easiest challenge I've ever done? Maybe almost enough once? I mean, I do a 6-second movie, so I might be able to do it with it. Well, not he's first. He's the most OP one I actually have. Then we got double secret stars over here. I double them like get like 2. So technically, if I'm actually 40 dollars, it doesn't matter. Psych! Take that, 6 star. I'm not doing this one. Well, that was a war them today, so I'm doing that. Wait, hold on. I don't know, I'm bad, but I might. Hey, what I'm doing? Already? With you guys? Yeah. But I'm only each 4 times, so I'm not really gonna do that much. So I'm gonna I feel like they're challenge for me. Have they? Or not? I don't know. I guess some sorts other some sort of so far. I have not played yet over here, guys. So I will play those in part 2. Another star out of my season. Come on. We're doing really good so far. I'm not gonna it's actually pretty easy to miss. Oh, dang, I missed it. Okay, we have to do really good right now. This challenge is the actually easiest challenge we ever have, guys. So come on, I gotta walk in and do it. I gotta walk in. We don't have to turn something out though. You know what? You got to turn it on. Oh, yeah, I'm supposed to the video tonight. It's not out of right, Nicholas watched the video. Well, you guys like bad enough. Something like this, the guitar challenge, I'm still with the guitar. It's actually not far off. But want to travel away. Oh, I didn't get rid of that. Anyways, I want to travel away from completing and get energy stuff. So, I'll focus on crystal better like when I'm off camera. Probably guys, but anyways. Back to the game. We got Marquinhos, Sunny Monies. I don't know how I want to go. I don't know what I go on there. Yeah, I don't know there. Okay, yes. That's the normal 6 stars. That's 4 times down. There you go. I haven't asked for someone of these challenge before. Or not, I have no idea. I might not be the only one. I want to play some of those games like this one. It looks actually really good. Like I said. I don't try half the drama like that on mobile. Probably I can like pick up the game for free. Always I play for the video guys. Email my account, my gaming channel, and Discord channel. Okay, so I should play asking 2 single thing. So I'm playing a couple of free version. How many like boss that I like in this series have? I like about 6 out of my 2 full series. I don't wanna milk it way too much, so my 13 parts. Is that milking it or not? I don't know. Is it milking it or not? I don't know. I thought that would give it a star challenge. Look at this. Okay, I'm not using any. That's actually pretty good. I'm gonna get more than violence. Violence. Really freaking nice. I don't think those are all ways to start. Oh, wow. There's one thing I never actually heard. I didn't supposed to start. Hold on. But, okay. Let's go to the train. That's a good to some sort of city where I can like a double train death. I might try out my next sort of city video. Or not the 3. The 3 after, I might try it. I don't have a COVID station on one yet, guys. I might have a pretty soon. Maybe July 28th, maybe, I don't know, right? How long is it now? I'm not bored today, Dan, because I really do want to active on this channel. Over here, guys. I don't know, it's so hard to think about the other things, as you know. It's not the same thing like the others. Is that all like a new born for me today? I would like it, but it has a point I do get to go that point. Or that's really happy because I think it's unlike a new outfit. I know the outfit costs $6, I think. I wonder if that's a tricky pack. I wonder if that's those. Sorry, that's a bit implied now, so I can actually put it so far now, but I'm still gonna try that for what. There's any anime in New Zealand. When it came out last June. What's the character like? The characters, they're really good characters. Right, Georgie? I think she was part of the class, or yeah, I don't really know. I'm not gonna get the I just can't never to get the character. Guys, I don't think I don't know how much. I'm getting like 48 more. Okay, let's give him a couple of come on. help them, they come together. Come on, they gotta, help me and walk. Help me and walk in with one time. Ooh, okay, yes, he did help me. Now I need to finally get any video off right here. Afterwards, thought, I don't know what challenge I have to do next. But that's that one challenge on this game. That's a pretty fun challenge. Alright, so what challenge I do next? I don't really know yet, so kind of more you guys are doing than are you. Over here. It's a really fun challenge, and it's not like actually like medium and easy to do. A little bit hard, I think I might do it. Oh, I think I would do it. My really hard challenges, like I was reading now. Are there challenges? Well, frankly, like it's funny, but they're not that. Yeah. Well, actually, I think it's 5 minutes. Maybe I have challenges. Minimum. I'll take like. Come on. Okay, gotta see somewhere. It's good. If you have to read them across again, somewhere. That boy gets off like. I'm gonna get back to music. You don't know how to even buy that again. I want 12 minutes. I'll beat the challenge with no secret stars. Here, sending my end deal off right here. So see you guys, so next week I test out create a Social City Ripoffs again. And then, for another next week, I test out the people on church. And guys, see you. Let's see you guys on Tuesday. Goodbye, buddy.